I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your bill details on the Bouygues app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Bouygues app. Launch the Bouygues app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log in. If you've forgotten your password, there's a reset option available. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing or my bill section in the main menu. This is usually represented by a $sign or a similar icon. Step 4. View your bill details. In the billing section, you should see a summary of your current bill. Tap on it to view detailed information, including usage and charges. Note sometimes the detailed view may take a moment to load, so be patient. Step 5. Check for notifications. After reviewing your bill, check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account. This can include payment reminders or changes in your plan. I hope this helps you easily check your bill details. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.